Mount Washington Valley Old Car Club car show. Settlers Green, North Conway, New Hampshire. Thought I'd get some pictures before the music started so they don't hit me with copyright infringements. And we got nice trucks here. Nice 56. I think I've seen this one before. There it is again.
This fall, I was in there 3 months remodeling a couple of apartments.
Oh, no kidding. Yeah.
69 Chevy. Oh yeah. The Mexican blankets for the seats. Beautiful inside.
It's a working truck, Bill? It's a working truck? Yeah, it is.
And a Dodge Ram. Chevy, Dodge. Trucks. International. KB1, I think. And chopped.
I'm getting out of his way too.
Chopped 40 Ford pickup, 4-inch chop, and GMC.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day.
Try to get as many as I can before the music gets started. There goes my grandson running like crazy with his stuffed animal. Oh yeah.
Almost had it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my son's car.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's the one. Yeah, you were looking at that
see,
one.
my
huh?
fenders have ribs, you know, like
Oh, yeah.
ribs in them because it's a 47.
Oh yeah.
But I think I have some stuff for this.
Yeah.
If he needs it. I'll see what I got.
Yeah.
Where's Dad?
I don't know. Did he drive this one or the other one?
He drive that one.
Who drove the other one?
Some of his friends.
Oh. All right. Well, I gotta go make some movies. I'll see you later. Odds and ends. Nice little Model A, Chevy powered. A Austin Healey 3000. Nice little car. And I don't know what this is. RX-7 Mazda. And then this is most beautiful car ever made, according to what Enzo Ferrari said so. What does Ferrari know about cars? MG Midget.
Very, very quiet. Number foot, very, very quiet. You said the house is very quiet.
It is.
I said very, very quiet.
Yeah, I can hear mice walking around. That's how quiet it can be. Oh, you gonna take a picture?
I've been taking pictures. How you doing, Drew?
I'm doing good. Look at that puppy. I Lotus 7.
Yeah, you don't
I
see
just came
many
with
of
another
them.
friend of mine. I got the GT40 over there. And,
Oh yeah.
he came with his Lotus.
Huh.
I have to tell him there's a Lotus Super 7 here.
Yeah, that's nice.